Okay, this is perfect timing of this. Everybody who's been having this problem with the 2009 to 2014 Hyundai Genesis, when you start the car or whatever, you don't have no sound coming out of your radio. This is what I want y'all to do, and try this step, because it worked for me when I did it last time. But I wanted to show y'all when there's like no sound at all. So you get no sound. This is what you want to do. You want to press it on. Wait for everything to start. Everything comes up. Some code out here. Enter. See. No sound, as you can see. Now, I'm going to turn it off. Hit that. Wait for that to come on. We'll hit the, the on button. Then, hopefully it should work. Here we go. Now, if you do it like that, you should have no problems. I know it's a pain in the butt that we got to go through that. I mean, it's a minor thing that I, consider. I still love the car. I'm not going to, just get rid of it because of that. But, yeah. See? Sound is back and everything. Or the XM, whatever. All that. CDs is working. And I'm going to put my auxiliary in, so. Alright, and that is it. And this should help y'all. Hopefully it should help y'all. If y'all, let me turn this down. If y'all do this steps the same way, it should work with no problem. And till then, Genesis alive, and can't wait for the next generation Genesis G80. Yeah. And see y'all later.